Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space, and let's look up into today's problem, which is subsequence. So here we have given two strings s and t, and we have to return true if our s is a subsequence of t. Otherwise we have to return false. Now let's see what is a subsequence. A subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some, or can be none, of the characters without disturbing the relative positions of the remaining characters, such that ACE is a subsequence of ABCDE, while AEC is not, because as we can see, AEC is not in order. Now let's see the example of it. Here we have given two strings s and t. In s we have ABC, and in t we have AHBGDC, and it is returning true. And in the second example we have AXC as s and t is same, but it is returning false because we have x in s but we don't have x in t. That's why it is returning false. So I solved this problem with this approach. Now let's deep dive into it. Here the first thing I have done is to create I and j variable with the value of 0. So now let's put 0 here. Following that, I have run a while loop in which the condition is I should be less than length of s and j should be less than length of t. So length of s is 3 and length of t is 6. And we have used AND operator, which means if either of the condition get false, we will come out from this loop. In this loop, the first thing we are doing is to check the value of s at ith index is same as the value of t at jth index or not. So as we know that the value of I and j are 0, so si will become a and tj is also become a. As we can see, both the values are same. So our I will increment by 1, which will become 1 now, and our j will become 1 as well. Thereafter the loop will run again because the condition is not failed. So again we have to check if our si and tj are same or not. So si will become now b and tj will become now h. So we can see that si and tj are not same, so this line will not going to run. Now we have to execute the next line. So our j will become 2 now and our condition is not failed. So again our loop will run, and this time si will be same but our tj will become b now. Now our si and tj are same, so I will increment and it will become 2 and our j will become 3 now. So again this loop will run because I is less than 3 and j is less than 6. So now our si will become c and our tj will become g. So now only j will increment, which will become 4 now, and again our loop will run and our tj will become now d and si will remain same. So again it is not same, so our j will increment by 1, which will become 5 now, and our loop will run again because our condition is not failed. So this time our tj will become c and si will remain same, and as we can see that si and tj both are same, so our I will increment by 1, which will become 3 now. So as we can see, the condition has failed because I and j both are not less than 3 and 6. So this code will return true if our I will same as length of s, otherwise false. So we have length of s as 3 and I as 3. That means both are same, so it will return true. So that's how I solve this problem. And if you guys have any other solution of it, please write it on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.